Here we go. Good job. Are you hearing those really soft ones? Good job. How about we play an ice cream game? What do you think? Okay.
Good job, bud.
All right, so we're going to play with the ice creams. What you're going to do, I'm going to put these ice creams right here by you, okay? I'm going to give you that one to start with, and you're going to listen. And when you hear the sound go, ch, 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 I want you to put an ice cream on, okay? Let's practice that. Let's see, here we go. Listen, ready? Ch, 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 ch. Good job. And we're going to build the tallest ice cream cone ever. What do you think? Good idea? Okay, let's start over. We'll make sure you've got all the ice creams ready to go. Okay, so what color should we start with? Okay, we'll do that one. All right, listen carefully. All right, you ready? Good job. Okay, get another one. Nice job, Mason. Okay, get another one. Good job. Nice listening. Good job. Good job. It's getting kind of tall. Good job, Ethan. Good job. Pretty tall. Okay, get another one. listening. Oh, man. That's okay. Can you get him? I know, it's kind of hard to hold.
Oh.
Where's the cone?
There's one right here.
No, that's not the cone.
Oh, there it is.
Okay, you ready? Good job. Good job, Mason. Nice job. Good job. All right, last one. You ready? Good job. Very, very good. Okay, look at that ice cream. How many ice creams did you get on there?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14,
15 ice creams. That's amazing. Good job. Okay, now we're going to do something a little bit different. I'm going to say a word, and I want you to say it right back to me, just like we did before, okay? Can you say the word ice cream?
ice cream,
Can you say the word baseball?
baseball,
Outside,
outside,
toothbrush,
toothbrush,
playground,
playground,
sidewalk,
sidewalk,
cowboy,
cowboy,
baseball,
baseball,
rainbow,
baseball,
toothbrush,
toothbrush, cupcake, ice cream, playground.
Very good job. Okay, we're going to do a few more words. Mason, can you say the word smile?
Smile,
Can you say the word bath?
back,
Can you say the word slip?
slip,
Can you say the word ride?
ride,
Can you say the word end?
and
Can you say the word pink?
pink,
Can you say the word thank?
sink,
Can you say the word take?
take,
Can you say the word cart?
cart,
Can you say the word scab?
scab,
Can you say the word lay?
huh,
Can you say the word lay?
lay,
Can you say the word class?
class,
Can you say the word me?
me,
Can you say the word dish?
dish,
Can you say the word neck?
neck,
Can you say the word beef?
beef,
Listen to that one again. Can you say the word beef?
beef,
Good job. Can you say the word few?
Hmm?
Can you say the word few?
seal,
Listen to that one again, Mason. Try again. Say the word few.
seal,
Good job. Can you say the word use?
use,
What was that?
use,
Good job. Can you say the word did?
did,
Can you say the word hit?
hit,
Can you say the word pond?
pond,
What was that?
pond,
Yeah, good job. Can you say the word hot? Can you say the word own?
Own.
Can you say the word bead?
Bead.
Can you say the word shop?
Shop.
Very good. You did great.
Well, this is fire and then.
I love it. Good job, buddy.
Okay. So now we're going to do one last list where you listen to those sentences, okay? So you're going to hear the man say, the fire truck is coming.
Okay.
And you're going to say that back, okay? All right. Okay, you ready?
Yeah.
Okay, here we go.
A girl came into the room.
A girl came into the room. What?
Oh, listen to that one again.
A girl came into the room.
A girl came into the room.
A field mouse found the cheese.
A field mouse found a cheese.
The candy shop is empty.
The candy shop is empty.
The machine is noisy.
And the machine is noisy.
The driver started the car.
The driver started the car.
They had a wonderful day.
They had a wonderful day.
The fruit is on the ground.
The fruit was on the ground.
Yesterday he lost his hat.
Yesterday he lost his hat.
He's skating with his friend.
He's skating with his friend.
The big boy kicked the ball.
The big boy kicked the ball.
Mother read the instructions.
Mother read the instructions.
The dog is eating some meat.
The dog is eating some meat.
The apple pie was good.
The apple pie was good.
You're doing great, Mason. Keep up the good work.
The jelly jar is full.
The jelly jar is full.
The girl is washing her hair.
The girl is washing her hair.
The girl played with the baby.
The girl played with the baby.
The cow was milked every day.
The cow was milked every day.
The paint dripped on the ground.
The paint dripped on the ground.
They are drinking coffee.
They are drinking coffee.
He's washing his face with soap.
He's washing his face with soap.
Mason, that was great. You did so good. Very, very good. Guess what? We are all done. You did so awesome.
Good job, buddy.
I'll be right in.
Okay.
Good job. Mason. Good job.